Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the touchpad on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. In Bluetooth and Devices, select Touchpad. Here, the first setting is to enable and disable the touchpad. Turn the toggle on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.